虚空法界一切众生是自己。
在佛法中有个根本的原理原则，就是心、佛、众生三无差别。通俗地说，也就是你的心和佛和天下一切万事万物，这三者在本性上根本就没有一点差别，它们完全是一回事，它们是一个整体，不可以分开的。这种极为高深难懂的说法，谁能理解和相信呢？天下万物，他是他，我是我，猪是猪，飞机是飞机，怎么可能是一个呢？但是现在科学家们再一次研究证明，事实确实如此。杰弗利·萨丁诺夫，哈佛大学心理学讲师，耶鲁大学物理学讲师。
It's one wave function, so it's one particle. I'm not sure that people's jaw would drop about it because I don't think people really believe it. And I don't mean that people say, oh, you're lying, or, oh, the scientists are confused. I think it is so mysterious that you can't even understand how amazing it is. One particle in 3,000 different locations.
Now, if you were to weigh one of them, would it weigh 1/3000th?
Well, you can't weigh one of them.
Why?
Because it's one particle. It's one indivisible particle.
But if it's in different locations, can't you put a scale under one?
No, it's inseparable. It's not this is the tricky conceptual part that it's not 3,000 separate parts.
Even though it looks that way.
Right. You can look at it, and I mean, you can't actually see the one with 3,000, but you can look at the simpler ones, the ones that are 2 or 3 or 4, and you can see, as I say, if you go onto the web, you'll see photographs of these. You'll see these little dots floating in space, and these are the different parts of one object. They're not separable. It's not 4 different objects or 6 different objects. It's one wave function. It's one object.
That's a real brain fart, isn't it? Because when you think about it, you just, well, wait a minute, no. They're like here, here, here. So it's obviously 1, 2, 3.
No, you can't pull one away from the others. If you try to pull one away from the others, the entire thing will just disappear.
迪恩·莱丁，原子科学研究所高级科学家。
As it seems like these two places are absolutely in space, they're separate, and never the twain shall meet. But in fact, it's not true. At some deeper level that we can't see with our eyes very clearly, two places in space are the same. They are co-located, coexisting.
约翰·哈格林毕业于哈佛，曾在欧洲核子研究中心工作，现在是圣贤大学物理学教授、科学技术公共政策学院院长。
The deepest level of truth uncovered by science and by philosophy is the fundamental truth of unity. At that deepest subnuclear level of our reality, you and I are literally one.
When do we make the shift from me to one? When are we the subconscious mind? When are we the knowledge of the one, transpersonal self?
I can influence my environment, the people. I can influence space itself. I can influence the future. I am responsible for all those things. I and the surround are not separate. They're part of one. I'm connected to it all. I'm not alone.
虚空法界，一切众生原本是一体。真正懂得这个道理，我们对一切人、一切事、一切物，自自然然就产生了恭敬心，互相尊重，互相敬爱，互助合作。
这个世界不但是一体的，而且也并非是真实存在的。一切物质是空的，都是由波动构成的，它是空的。或者用佛法的描述，物质是假的。现代量子力学的这个研究结果和佛法所说的是一样的。
You have to ask the question, waves of what, really? What is the field that is waving? Is it the ocean? No, it's a universal ocean, an ocean of pure potentiality, an ocean of abstract potential existence. We call it the unified field, or superstring field. And that's what we're made of.
We were all taught in school that the world is made of stuff, of matter, of mass, of atoms. Atoms make up molecules, molecules make up materials, and everything is made of that. But atoms actually are mostly empty.
那么物质到底是什么呢？
Which rises in waves of vibration to give rise to the particles, the people, everything we see in the vast universe.
接着，科学家们说出了和佛法完全一样的结论：一切法由心想生，就是万事万物都是由心想生的。
What makes up things are not more things, but what makes up things are ideas, concepts, information.
In fact, the universe is mostly empty.